Hello students, in this video we're going to talk about the only three verbs that are irregular in the imperfect, and these are ser, which is to be. Here we have ser, then ir, to go, right here in the middle, and then ver, which is to see. We have it here at the end. So ser, which is to be, will go era, eras, era, éramos, erais, and eran. Notice that the yo form and the he, she, usted form are the same, and the only one that has an accent mark is the we form over the e. Then we have ir, which is to go. Iba, ibas, iba, íbamos, ibais, iban only. It has an accent mark over the I. Same situation with the yo form and the he, she, usted form. And finally, ver, veía, veías, veía, veíamos, veíais, and veían. Notice this one has an accent mark over every I. And again, just like the first two, the yo form and the he, she, usted form are the same. So now let's work on them. And here we have several examples in which you have to conjugate the verb in parentheses, which is one of these three, and fill in the blanks. So let's work some of them together, and then the rest you will have to do on your own in this test. So follow my example. So let's do number one. De pequeña yo blank a la playa todos los domingos. What this sentence is saying: when I was a little girl, I used to go to the beach every Sunday. Here we have ir, which is used to go. I have to conjugate it into iba. So my answer is iba. De pequeña yo iba a la playa todos los domingos. So I took this answer from the yo form in here because I needed to conjugate the verb ir. That is right here. Let's do now one with ser. Let's do number 4. De pequeño, mis hermanos y yo, blank, muy travieso. So here I'm working with ser, which is this middle table here. And the subject is my brothers and I, and that is the we form. So we're gonna go nosotros éramos, and I have to, in this one, I have to put an accent over the E. And because I'm using Google Slide, I need to go to the special characters right here, draw my E, and then it comes up here, and then I'm done. But in your canvas, you just have to use your keyboard to do your accent marks. So in here, de pequeños, mis hermanos y yo éramos muy traviesos. And that means when we were little, my siblings and I were very mischievous. Very mischievous. And let's do a last one. Let's do one with ver. In here we have todos los chicos blank a Pokemon. And ver means to see or to watch. And what I want to say in English is every day the boys used to watch Pokemon. So my subject is the boys. I need to come to this diagram because I'm working with ver. The day form is right here, veían. So I am going to use todos los días los chicos veían Pokemon, and copy and paste it here. I missed the V. Veían Pokemon. So what you need to do next is following this example. You're going to complete the quiz. The quiz is going to be the same exercise here, only you're going to have to fill in the blanks with the correct form of ir, ser, or ver.